10 new members today, guys. Woo! Follow me on Twitter.
Devam edin, devam.
Oh, no. Oh. People not paying attention. Oh, he's going to hit the sign. Those guardrails are sharp, too. They're very sharp.
Şey var mı?
Is there a laceration on that right arm? That's what I'm concerned. Mechanism of injury is going to dictate some of that.
Kanka dur, bekle. Dur şu direksiyonu aç. Kaldır. Allah.
Yeah, if you're a member and you have Discord, sync up your YouTube.
Putain. Devam. Devam edin, devam.
So not paying attention. This is one of those situations where there's no communication. And if you don't know how to use hand signals with your communication for a group ride, you really need to learn how to do that. Or you grab yourself a Cardo Pack Talk Bold or Slim or Freecom or whatever. Grab yourself one of these things, guys. That way you can communicate what your intentions are, what you need to do, and it allows people to do what they need to do. That's the whole point of communication, okay? Would you rather talk with hands when you're riding, or would you rather talk with your mouth like you typically do? Do that. Grab yourself one right there. Link is in the description. You're going to get a discount automatically when you do the checkout. Thank you, Cardo, for sponsoring. But that's would hopefully prevented that, because this looks like a communication error. It doesn't look like it's going to be a braking problem or you know, a swerving problem. It's definitely a gear problem. But the whole fundamental skills might have been there. There's just a lot of confusion. A lot of smart people, a lot of really talented people can mess up if there's not good communication, okay? I don't know why we're on the side of the road, so maybe they're wondering, why are we going on the side of the road? Why are we doing this? And it's just miscommunication everywhere. Grab yourself a Cardo. And with this, though, you're going to start to crash a little bit, and you got to watch out for all these injuries. So that's why you need to be a smart rider. You know, acquire and utilize personal protective equipment. And this guardrail is very sharp. So when you have this guardrail right here, that lip, this lip right here, very sharp. If you run your finger across it, ooh, you're going to get tetanus. So be very careful with that. You're going to slice that finger up. So the fact that you reach over and fall over, you could easily cut yourself. I did a medical review of that, and somebody actually did that. They sliced their arm. So you might want to check it out. I think the thumbnail is like the guy's on the ground. He's like, ow, ow. He's doing that. I think he got demonetized too because it showed blood. But moving forward a little bit, you got to be very careful with that, okay? Not a good situation to be in, especially if you're the cause of it by being on the side of the road and be like, hey, guys, pull over here last second. That's not what a good leader is supposed to be doing. You need to have good communication when it comes to that. So that rider right there is not feeling too good. Possibly got injured. Possibly ligaments, tendons, all those things got lacerated because of that stuff. Terrence, welcome. Kristen, welcome. Woo.